Today I'm going to do the detent on my short throw shifter because it's still a little bit too stiff for daily use. It's great when you're hammering it out, you know you're in gear, it clicks in real nice, but when you do it 50 times down the freeway on the way to work, it's not cool. So I figured I'd show everybody exactly where it is, how it comes out, and all that good shit. I don't know if you'll be able to see me underneath the car, but I'll take you under there and we'll see how it goes. Let me grab some tools. Alright, so here it is. This thing is it's a little leaky deaky. One day I'm tearing this whole thing apart and going through it. So for right now, we are just gonna fix the shifter and daily drive it. And at some point, I think we'll make a hot rod out of it. But back in here somewhere, you can see there's where the fuel filter is and stuff, but right across from that there's a bolt up in there that screws in and out, and on the end of it there's a little ball, and that rides along the shifter linkage, and that's what makes it loose or tight. It's got some notches that it rides in and whatnot, so every time you shift it hits one. God damn this fucking light. So let me get that thing out and I'll show you what it looks like. That's fine. This side. Alright, sorry guys, it wasn't on that side, it's on this side by all this other wiring and shit, but it's on the passenger side, very top. See, I got the socket on it right now. I don't know if you can see it. You see that socket up in there? Alright, there. It's on the bolt that needs to come out. Alrighty, there it is. See a little ball end on there, maybe, maybe not, but that pushes against the linkage and hits the notches and tells you when you're in and out of gear. This washer didn't seem to cut it. wasn't enough space to do me much good. So I got some more I got from work. I'm gonna go grab them. Alright, so I don't know how much of that you got because the camera got full on me, but we're gonna check the shifter right now, see how she shifts, because it used to suck. Oh yeah, that's the shit right there. It's still there, but not so much that it sucks. Well, could be a little loose, we'll see. Kind of liking it. It's easier, much easier to pull over, that's for sure. Alright, well, we'll check that out. So that was good, right? A little update for you. I'll probably do a test run in it and video that, maybe do a donut or something, huh? So check with you in a bit.